So if it is the tension, so what does tension? T1 is equals to this P1. So T1 or T2. So T1 is equals to P1 or P2 is equals to T2. So P1 and P2 is given to you. So what you have to do? P1 into L upon A. So you will put the values here. So let's start. Dava B is equals to 15,000 pounds multiply by L is given to you is 3.5 feet. This is 3.5 into 12. You will convert it into inches. And the next step will be what? You have to put the value of area 0.68 inches square multiply by E 24 into 10 to the power 6. So Dava B is coming out to be how much? Dava B is coming out to be 0.038 inches square. So this is, then in the next step what you have to do? Dava C. Dava C is equals to P2L over AE. So Dava C value, how can you find it out? Value of P2 was given in the question, that is 22,000 into L. Length is given 5.5 feet. So you will put 5.5 into 12. And value of A is 0.85 for the second rod inches square into E is given to you is 28 into 10 to the power 6. So Dava C comes out to be 0.061 inches. Oh sorry, it is not inches square. It will be in inches. Dava, you didn't tell me. So Dava B and Dava C we have calculated. So in the next step what we have to do? We have bisimilar triangles. Bisimilar triangles. So we will draw. Here it is like this. This is A, B and C. This will be X and this is how much? It is given in the question, that is 4.5 feet. This is 4.5 feet. Dava A and Dava B and Dava C we have calculated. So Dava B is equals to 0.038 inches and it is very easy numerical as compared to the previous one, 0.061 inches. So what we have to do? Bisimilar triangles. Bisimilar triangles. So Dava B upon 4.5, Dava B upon 4.5. Dava B equals to 4.5 and Dava C upon 4.5 plus X. So Dava B value is 0.038 divided by 4.5 equals to Dava C's value is 0.061 upon 4.5 plus X. So what we have to do here? We have to do cross multiplication. Oh, let me use green marker. This one. So when you will do cross multiplication, please don't cross it. I'm not going to cross it. I'm just trying to tell you, you have to do cross multiplication. So how can you solve it out? So you have to do, when you are doing cross multiplication, so 0.038 multiplied by 4.5 plus X is equals to 0.061 multiplied by 4.5. And this will be, when you multiply it, so it will become 0.171 plus 0.038x equals to 0.2745. Now what we have to do? 0.038x is equals to 0.2745 and minus 0.171. So what it will be? 0.038x is equals to 0.1035. So therefore the value of x, when you will divide it, 0.1035 divided by 1035 divided by 0.038. So therefore x will become 2.72 feet, because it comes in feet because it is in fit, 4.5 fit. So in this numerical, what we have done, so it is very easy numerical as compared to the previous one, or it is a very small short time consuming numerical. In this numerical, you can see that what is given to us, we have two bars over there, and the data of the two bars we have given here, that the length, area and modulus of elasticity. This is 4.5 fit. Loads were also given to us, tensions were also, it means P1 is equals to T1, P2 equals to T2. We have to find out this x, find value of x. So what you have to do first, you have to find out DAVA B at here, DAVA C here. So when you will find out DAVA B and DAVA C, so when you will get your DAVA B and DAVA C by putting all the data of both the bars, so what you have done in the next step, you have to apply by similar triangles, and you know that DAVA B and DAVA C, so you will get this x. So by cross multiplication, by taking similar triangles and by cross multiplication, you will get the value of x. So the question is over here. So hopefully it will be clear to all of you, and you will find it easy numerical. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.